Hi, my name is Dr. Greg Keller. We're in Santa Barbara, California at Rejuvalase Med Spa in Santa Barbara, California. And what we're going to do today is use a method of non-invasive fat removal. That's lunchtime fat removal. You walk in several instances and have your fat removed painlessly. It's not like the old technique, which was started in 2010, called Coolsculpt. And for those of you who are listening, you've probably all heard about Linda Evangelista and her problems with Coolsculpt called paradoxical adipose hypertrophy. In other words, while the intent with the Coolsculpt is to freeze the fat, send the fat cells into apoptosis or a slow death, instead the fat grows and gets bigger, which is very alarming. That's called paradoxical adipose hypertrophy. We used Coolsculpt in 2010, but when a better technology, Trusculpt, came out, we adopted that in 2017. And we're going to show you on this poor lady who we're going to treat with it. You'll notice there's really no pain involved while we slide evenly over the surfaces. And you can see that this doesn't cause a gap in the treatment areas. Whereas Coolsculpt, you have to grab the tissue, and that can only be done in certain areas where you can actually do that, grab some tissue and pinch it together and freeze it. And that can bother people for a while that remains hard and gradually thaws out. So Trusculpt's a major advance. There can be some warmness afterwards. But the other thing is when the skin contracts, the Trusculpt can actually contract the skin. And it doesn't cause, or hasn't been reported as far as I can find, paradoxical adipose hypertrophy. So you can avoid the problems that Linda Evangelista had using this method of technology, radiofrequency energy. And radiofrequency energy like this can be done almost anywhere. And you can see we're doing it on the belly, but you can also do it on the arms, the legs, the thighs, almost anywhere that fat needs to be removed evenly and very nicely. We also have a newer technique of fat removal, skin tightening, and a three-way method called Evolve. And Evolve not only tightens the skin, which it does anywhere in the body, even if there's no fat, you can tighten the skin around the arms, the knees, the legs, etc. But it also, as I said, contracts those muscles and tightens everything up. So it tightens the skin, contracts the muscle, and could remove stubborn areas of fat as well. Again, all at a lunchtime type of session. So all of these are done with really no downtime. Again, you can cover up areas of fat removal. They do take some time because what we do, as I mentioned, is not kill the cells outright, but cause a slow cell death that takes place over about 2 to 3 months. So this is a wonderful technique. It's nice to do during the winter to get beach ready and do several treatments to get in your best shape for bikini season. Or just going out and going to formals over the winter. So thank you very much for listening. Thanks to our patient for participating in this. And thanks to Brenda, our technologist, on this.